to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Schezwan green bean with tofu. So to get started, you're going to need some green bean, we call it string beans. We're going to be using some ginger as well as garlic, tofu, some cornstarch and chili pepper. To make our sauce, we're going to be using some rice wine and soy sauce, a little bit of sugar and maybe some sriracha sauce. So let's get started now. Make sure your pot is really hot. This recipe called for a really hot pot, okay? So we're going to get started with the green beans. And these were washed and drained. So we want to get them semi-evenly. So we're going to just slice them in a nice size. Let me just put some of these over here, because some of these beans are short and some are long, right? So we want to get everything evenly, and we can just maybe cut it in half. You do the same for these sets. Perfect. Alright, let me turn this up. Add some oil. You have to wait until the oil is hot before you put the green beans in here, because I want to hear like a sizzling sound in the oil, right? Alright, so let's put these aside while the oil is heating up, and we can just start with some scallion as well. That amount is good, don't need a lot. And the garlic. I think to make this dish, because it's a Chinese inspired dish, we want to bring out the flavor by using the garlic and the ginger. I think it gives an amazing flavor in this recipe. Can just push these aside, right? And for the ginger, you can just peel it off. And like how we had diced the garlic, we're going to do the same for the ginger. Okay, so let's get started with the tofu. We want it to be in nice even squares. Maybe half of a tofu, right? We're just going to coat the tofu with some cornstarch and salt. You see our pot is getting really hot, so this is the desired heat that we're looking for, right? So we're going to coat it with some cornstarch now and give it a quick toss. And some salt. So let's move this over here. Let's get started with the green bean. We want to do this is a quick method, right? So as soon as it starts to fry up, you want to take them out. Alright, so guys, these are finished frying. So we're just going to put them in a nice plate here to drain off, and then we get our tofu started, right? And this dish is super easy and very tasty. I had it a few months ago and I really enjoyed it. So let's move this down here. While the oil is heating up again to fry the tofu, we're going to make the sauce, right? You don't want to make the sauce while you're frying tofu and you're melting all over the place. So we're going to use some rice wine. Some soy sauce. And some sugar. Sriracha sauce. And this will thicken up when we fry the tofu. We're going to use that same oil, because I didn't use a lot, to make the sauce, and the sauce will just thicken up after, right? And you want to brown these up evenly on each side. Yeah, just give them a little time. You can always enjoy this dish with some nice steamed white rice or quinoa. Alright guys, these are finished, so we're going to put them to drain as well. So we're going to get started now by adding the aromatics to the pot. So we're going to add the garlic and the ginger, you don't want to burn these. I'm going to try not to burn it, because every time I'm recording a video and I try and I say don't burn it, I actually burn it. So I'm going to try not to burn it, because to actually cook and talk, it's a task. So we're going to add the scallion. The aroma is so nice, guys. I can't wait to eat this. Alright, so the sauce we made earlier, we're going to add it now. Sauce coming together really beautiful. Smells nice. And what you could do, this is optional, if you're not allergic to nuts, you can actually add some peanut at the end. And also that, I mean, like I said, I had it a few months ago and I really enjoyed it, and I had it with the peanuts and it was so good. I think the sauce is where we want it to reach now. So we're going to add the tofu. Mmm, smells so good. Smells so good. And this dish, guys, with proper timing, it will take maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And we're finished. Nothing long, something different to have for dinner, and I know you will enjoy it. Oh my god, guys, it smells so amazing. And we're finished. Can you imagine that? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing plant-based videos. Until next time, bye.